Hi friends, welcome to Prashant Competitive Hub YouTube channel. TET exam qualification, TET exam pattern for paper 1 and paper 2 and TET exam paper 1 syllabus సంబంధించిన వీడియో చేశాను. క్రింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో షేర్ చేస్తాను. ఫస్ట్ టెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ ప్యాటర్న్ అండ్ పేపర్ 1 సిలబస్ తెలుసుకున్నాక ఈ వీడియో చూస్తే బాగా అర్థమవుతుంది. చాలామంది టెట్ ఎగ్జామ్కు ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే అభ్యర్థులు సిలబస్ లేని అంశాలు ఎక్కువ దృష్టి పెడుతుంటారు. దానివల్ల ఎలాంటి బెనిఫిట్స్ ఉండదు. ఫస్ట్ సిలబస్లో ఉన్న టాపిక్స్ని చదవాలి, అప్పుడు టెట్లో ఎక్కువ స్కోర్ చేయడానికి వీలవుతుంది. ఈ వీడియోలో పేపర్ 2 సిలబస్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. వీడియోని ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తుంటే మన ఛానల్ని ముందుగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఫర్ మోర్ తెలంగాణ గవర్నమెంట్ జాబ్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ ప్యాటర్న్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు ప్రశాంత్ కాంపిటేటివ్ హబ్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. పేపర్ 2 సిలబస్ సైకాలజీ, చైల్డ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అండ్ పెడగాగి మార్క్స్ 30 మార్క్స్ ఉంటాయి. డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ చైల్డ్, డెవలప్మెంట్, గ్రౌత్, మెచ్యురేషన్, కాన్సెప్ట్ అండ్ నేచర్, ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ఆఫ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అండ్ దేర్ ఇంప్లికేషన్స్, ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సింగ్ డెవలప్మెంట్, బయాలజికల్, సైకలాజికల్ అండ్ సోషియలాజికల్, dimensions of development and their interrelationships, physical, motor, cognitive, emotional, social, moral, language relating to infancy, early childhood, late childhood, adolescence, understanding development, Piaget, Kohlberg, Kohlrogers, Erikson, individual differences, inter-individual differences in the area of attitudes, aptitude, interest, habits, thinking, intelligence and their assessment, development of personality, concept, factors affecting development of personality and child rearing practices, self-concept, adjustment, behavioral problems, defense mechanisms, mental health, methods and approaches of child development, introspection, observation, interview, case study, experimental anecdotal records, questionnaire, rating scales, cross-sectional and longitudinal development tasks and hazards, understanding learning, concept, nature of learning, input, process, outcome, factors of learning, personal and environmental, approaches to learning and their applicability, behaviorism, Skinner's construction, Piaget, Vygotsky, and observational. Dimensions of learning, cognitive, affective and performance, motivation and substance, its role in learning, memory and forgetting, transfer of learning, pedagogical concerns, teaching and its relationship with learning and learner, learners in context, situation learner in the socio-political and cultural context, children from diverse context, children with special needs, inclusive education, understanding pedagogic methods, inquiry-based learning, project-based learning, survey, observation and activity-based learning, cooperative and collaborative learning, individual and group learning, issues and concerns with respect of organization learnings in classroom like study habits, self-learning and learning to learn skills, organizing learning in heterogeneous classroom groups, socio-economic background, abilities and interest, paradigms of organizing learning, teacher-centric, subject-centric and learner-centric, theory of instructions, Brunner, teaching as a planning activity, elements of planning, phases of teaching, pre-active, interactive and post-active, general and subject-related skills, competencies required in teaching and attributes of good facilitator, learning resources, self, home, school, play, community and technology, classroom management role of student, teacher, leadership style of teacher, creation of non-threatening learning environment, managing of behavior problems, guidance and counseling, child abuse, punishment and its legal implications, rights of child, time management, distinction between assessment of learning, school based assessment, continuous and comprehension evaluation, CCE, perspective and practice. Understanding teaching and learning in the context of NCF and Right to Education Act. Language 2, Section 2. Section 2, Language 1, Telugu, marks 30. విషయం పఠనావగాహన పద్యం గద్యం. తెలంగాణ సాహిత్యం సంస్కృతి ప్రాచీనం ఆధునికం 2015లో రూపొందించిన పాఠ్యపుస్తకాల ఆధారంగా తెలంగాణ కవులు రచయితలు నూతన పాఠ్యపుస్తకాల్లోని ఇతర తెలుగు కవులు రచయితలు ప్రక్రియలు శతకాలు కళలు కళాకారులు వేడుకలు క్రీడలు పాటలు పదజాలం సామెతలు జాతీయం అర్థాలు నానార్థాలు పర్యాయ పదాలు ప్రకృతి వికృతులు భాషాంశాలు. బి బోధన పద్ధతులు భాష మాతృభాష బోధన లక్ష్యాలు భాష వివిధ భావనలు స్వభావం తరగతి గది అన్వయం భాష నైపుణ్యాలు సాధించాల్సిన సామర్థ్యాలు తరగతి గది అన్వయం ప్రణాళిక రచన పాఠ్య గ్రంథాలు సాహిత్య ప్రక్రియలు బోధన పద్ధతులు బోధనలో ఆధునిక ధోరణులు బోధన నైపుణ్యాలు బోధన అభ్యాసన సామాగ్రి నిరంతర సమగ్ర మూల్యాంకనం నిర్మాణాత్మక మూల్యాంకనం సంగ్రహణాత్మక మూల్యాంకనం. థర్డ్ సెక్షన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ 2 ఇంగ్లీష్ కాంటెక్స్ట్ మార్క్స్ 24 ఉంటాయి. పార్ట్స్ ఫర్ స్పీచ్ tenses active voice and passive voice prepositions and articles degrees of comparison clauses verbs main verbs auxiliary verbs adverbs types of adverbs conjunctions coordinating conjunctions subordinating sentences subordinate conjunctions direct indirect speech questions and question tags types of sentences simple and compound and complex synthesis of sentences and phrases uses of phrases composition and letter writing precise writing comprehension vocabulary antonyms synonyms and spelling meaning of idiomatic expressions correction of sentences sequencing of sentences in the given paragraph error identification within a sentence. Pedagogy marks 6 ఉంటాయి. Aspects of English language history nature importance principles of English as a second language problems of teaching learning English objectives of teaching English phonetics transcription development of language skills listening speaking reading writing LSRW communication skills imparting values through communication approaches methods techniques of teaching English introduction definition of types of approaches methods techniques of teaching English remedial teaching of structure and vocabulary teaching learning materials in English language teaching lesson planning curriculum and textbooks importance and its need evaluation in English language teaching CCE. Fourth A mathematics and science marks 60 ఉంటాయి. Content 24 number system prime composite numbers test of divisibility whole numbers integers fractions decimal fractions LCM GCD rational numbers and irrational numbers properties of numbers real numbers laws of exponents squares square roots cube roots finding missing number of represented as alphabets in sums. Arithmetic ratio and proportion simple interest compound interest time and distance discount tax time and work profit and loss. Sets concept of set language empty set finite infinite set subject equality of set cardinal number of set operations representation of set Venn diagrams and their properties algebra introduction algebra expressions exponents and powers geometry history of geometry contribution of India in the development of geometry Euclid geometry lines and angles similar triangles Pythagoras theorem. Sixth topic mensuration perimeter area of square rectangle area of triangle circle ring and quadrilateral surface area and volume of cube. Seventh data handling collection and classification of data frequency distribution table tally marks bar graph pictograph and pie diagrams mean median and mode Trigonometry. Introduction of trigonometry relationships between ratios, values, trigonometric ratios 0, 30, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, trigonometric identities, trigonometric ratio of complementary angles, applications of trigonometry, angle of elevation and depression and simple problems. Pedagogy 6 marks ఉంటాయి. Definition and nature of mathematics, aims, values, instructional objectives of teaching mathematics and academic standards, methods of teaching mathematics, instructional material in mathematics, TLM in mathematics, instructional planning, continuous comprehension evaluation CCE, formative assessment, summative assessment, process and procedures, designing, administration, analysis of scholastic achievement tests, CHAT, diagnostic and remedial teaching, the mathematics teacher, resource utilization, curriculum textbook. 4th year science content 24, natural resources, air, water, water pollution, harnessing of water, state of water, hardness of water, water pressure, air pollution, atmosphere, atmosphere pressure, air pressure, Archimedes principle, Pascal law, Bernoulli's principle, hydrometer, barometer, our universe, solar ellipse, lunar ellipse, constellation, zodiac, space travel, solar system, satellites, stars, comets, earth, natural phenomena, lights, sounds, heat. How can we see objects, shadows, reflection of light, laws of reflection, plane mirrors and images, virtual images, real image, pinhole camera, periscope, kaleidoscope, spherical mirrors and images, Fermat principles, applications of reflection of light, refraction of light, laws of refraction, refractive index, Snell's law, total internal reflection and its applications, refraction through glass prisms and slabs, refraction at curved surfaces and through lenses, images formed by lenses and ray diagrams, construction of human eye, least distinction vision, defects of vision, formation of rainbow, dispersion of light, sound, sources of sound, production and propagation of sound, construction and human hair and its working, properties of sound, audible range, sound pollution, sound waves, kinds of sound waves, characteristics of sound waves, reflection of sound, echo uses of ultrasonic sounds, musical instruments, heat, concept of heat and temperature, thermal equilibrium, measurements of temperature, types of thermometers, specific heat and its applications in daily life, methods of mixtures, evaporation, condensation and boiling point and melting point, mechanics and kinematics and dynamics, concept of motion and rest, types of motion, speed, velocity, acceleration, Newton's law of motion, force, types of force, resultant force, frictions, types of friction, factors influencing friction, fluid friction, gravitation, Newton's law of gravitation, center of gravity and stability, work and energy, types of energy, conservation energy, magnetism and electricity, magnetism, natural magnets and artificial magnets, properties of magnets, uses of magnets, methods of magnetization, magnetic induction, magnetic field, magnetic lines of force, electricity, electric circuit, primary cells, conductors and insulators, electric charge, electric field, electric potential, potential difference, EMF, Ohm's law, resistance, specific resistance, resistance in series and parallel, heating effects of electric current, electric power, magnetic effects of electric current, solenoid, Fleming's left hand rule, electric motor, electromagnetic induction, electric generator, electrical conductivity of liquids, electroplating, Faraday's law of electrolysis, matter around us, states of matter, properties of matter, substance and mixtures, methods of separation of mixtures, fibers, types of fibers, plastics, types of plastics, use of plastics and environment, acids, bases and salts, neutralization, metals and non-metals, physical and chemical properties of metals and non-metals, coal and petroleum, combustion and fuels, types of combustion, temperature of combustion, calorific value, laws of chemical combination and chemical calculation, physical change, chemical change, laws of chemical combination, chemical reactions and calculations, types of chemical reactions, atomic structure, atoms and molecules, elements, atomicity, Dalton atomic theory, icons, atomic mass, valency, molecular mass, concept of mole, molar mass, Thomson model of atom, Rutherford model of atom, Bohr mole atom, atomic number, isotopes, quantum numbers, electronic configuration, periodic classification and chemical bonding. Dobner writes Newland's law of octave, periodic table, long form periodic table, change of properties of elements in group and periods. Metallurgy, extraction of metals and steps, reactivity of metals and its role, extraction of metals, various methods of extraction of metals, biology, its importance in everyday life, living world, characteristics, classification of plants and animals and their characteristics, cell concept, cell theory, difference between plant cell and animal cell, cell divisions, cell organelles, tissues, animal tissues, plants world, plant world, types of plants of parts of plant, their functions, seed dispersal, fabric from plants, reproduction, asexual, sexual, vegetative propagation, nutrition, photosynthesis, excretion, respiration, economic importance of plants. Economic importance of plants, agriculture, crop diseases and pest control measure. Animal world movements, organ systems, their functions including man, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system, endocrine system, skeleton system, reproductive system, sense organs in man, nutrition deficiency diseases in man, first aid, HIV/AIDS, animal behavior, economic importance of animals, animals husbandry, pisciculture, sericulture. Microbes, bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa. Useful and harmful microbes, microbial diseases in plants and animals. Our environment, biotic, abiotic factors, natural resources, biodiversity, different ecosystems, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, oxygen cycle. Recent trends in biology, hybridization, genetic engineering, gene banks, gene therapy, tissue culture. Pedagogy 6 marks ఉంటాయి. Definition, nature and structure of history science, aims, values, instructional objectives of teaching science and academic standards in science, methods of teaching science, instructional material in teaching science, TLM in science, instructional planning, science laboratory, science teacher, changing roles, science curriculum and its transaction in CF 2005, SCF 2011, science textbooks, evaluation CCE, formative assessment, summative assessment, designing and administration, analysis of scholastic achievement test. Fourth B, social studies, marks 60, content marks 48, diversity on earth, maps, scale, cardinal points, types of maps, evolution of maps, conventional science, contour lines, globe, oceans and continents, latitudes, longitudes, origins of earth, realms of the earth, solar energy, insolation, temperature and its measuring, terrestrial radiation, polar regions, elements of climate, types of rainfall, Europe, Africa, locations, physical features, climate, forest and wildlife, population, agriculture, minerals, industries, transportation, trade, exports and imports, geography of India, Telangana, physical features, rivers and other water resources, seasons, forest, climate and its factors affecting floods and droughts, forest and animal wealth, soils, electricity, agriculture, mineral wealth, industries, population, literacy rate, density of population, settlements and migration and transportation. Production of exchange and livelihoods. Livelihood of earliest people, sites in Telangana. Domestication, city life, agriculture, types of farming, crop seasons, problems of agriculture and agricultural laborers and small farmers, contract farming, agriculture in Telangana, trade and marketing, self-help groups, agriculture market ads, minimum support price, trading fair in Telangana, land holdings, phrases in agriculture development, green revolution, organic farming, production and handcrafts and handlooms, cooperation societies and their role, industrial revolution, sources of energy, trade in industrial products, urbanization and slums, production of in a paper factory, process of paper making paper, transport system in Telangana, employment in transport, congestion and pollution, industries, factors of location, agro-based and mineral-based industries, automobile industries and IT failures in industrial development, industrial policies, growth in production and environmental problems, service activities, categories, importance and challenges, money and banking, barter system, exchange with money, evolution of money, emergence of banks, commercial banks, types of deposits, checks and demand drafts, loans, internet banking, credit in financial system, financial literacy, prices and cost of living, prices effect on people, inflation, consumer price index, regulation of prices, government budget and taxation, VAT, production, production and employment, sectors of economy, national income, GDP, per capita income, HDI, employment, organized and unorganized sectors, impact of technology and three sectors of the economy, public health and government healthcare services, public and private health insurance, globalization, flows in economic exchange, MNCs, foreign trade, factors enabling globalization, WTO, IMF impact, food security and nutritional status of India, PDS, sustainable development meaning sustainable development with inquiry. Third, political systems and governance. Tribal panchayat system, present local body system, Gram Panchayati, Mandal Parishad, Jilla Parishad, urban government, formation and functions. Emergencies of kingdom and republics, first empires, Mauryas, Rajputs, Rajkshetras, Cholas, Deccan kingdoms, Shatavahanas, Kushanth, Guptas, regional kingdoms, Kakatiyas, Vijayanagara empires, Kutublashas, Mughals, Asabjais, British Empire, landlords and tenants under the British and Nizams, and Mughals peasant movement in Hyderabad, national movement in India, Muslim League, partition and migration, merging and princely state and freedom movement in Hyderabad state. Making of laws and implementation of laws, Assembly, Council of Parliament, election process, Indian Constitution formation, features and preamble, justice, rule of law, judicial system, civils and criminals law, levels of courts, changing cultural tradition in Europe 1300 to 1800, resistance, reformation, modern science, democratic and national movements, England, American and French revolutions, industrialization and social change, Britain, Germany and France, movements of women, workers, socialism, colonialism in Latin America, Asia, Africa, impact on India, other regional movements. World War I and II, reasons, Treaty of Versailles, Leagues of Nations, Holocaust, Nazism, fascism, consequences, Great Depression, national liberation of movements in China, Vietnam and Nigeria, post-war world and India, UNO, NAM, West Asian conflicts, peace movements and collapse of USSR, independence India, first general elections, SRC, relationship with neighboring countries, regional agitations and formation of parties, coalition governments, emergency period, Mandal Commission, economic liberalization, the movement of formation of Telangana, gentleman agreement, reasons for Telangana demand, different jobs, TRS achieving Telangana, disaster management, types of disaster, drought, accident related threat, terrorism, human induced disasters. Traffic education, traffic signals, signs, and necessary documents. Social organization and inequalities. Inequities. Diversity in India, gender inequalities, sex ratio, employment status of women and their work with wages, Human Protection Acts, caste discrimination, reform of institutions, abolition of Zamindar system, rural poverty at the time of independence, land ceiling, Bodhan movement, poverty, human rights and fundamental rights, rights to information, rights to education, Lok Adalat, social movements, civil rights movements in USA, Greenpeace movements, Bhopal gas disaster, NBM, Maria Baibi, human rights movement in USSR. Religion and society in early times, Indus Valley civilization, Vedas, Hindus, Buddhism, Jainism, Christianity, Islam, Bhakti movement, new religions development in India. Folk religion, communal worships of folk deities, the antiquity of folk traditions, intermixing of village deities and high religious traditions, social and religious reforms movements, Christian missionaries and Oriental scholars, religious movements of Bengal and Punjab, reforms and education among Muslims, reforms movements in Nizam dominion, women and Dalit in freedom movements, understanding secularism, culture and communication, India heritage and culture, historical sites, language, writing and script, Vedas, epic, Jetka stories, Sangam literature in Tamil, culture and building, Harappan cities, Buddhist stupas and viharas, rock cut chaitas, rulers and buildings, engineering skills and constructions, temples, tombs, forts, tanks, destruction of temples, imperial style of Vijayanagara period. Performing arts, film and print media, evolution of cinema, influence of films on society, a role of newspapers in cultural awakening and freedom movement, sports, nationalism and commerce. Pedagogy Marks 12. Social science as the integrating area of study, context and concern, distinguished between natural and social science, social studies and various social science, contribution of some eminent social scientists. Aims and objectives of learning social sciences. Values through social sciences, learning objectives and illustrations, learning objectives and construct approach, academic standards, school curriculum and resources in social sciences. NCF 2015, RTE 2009, NCF 2011, syllabus and resources, Dale's Cone of Experience, teaching, learning, geography, space, resources and development, teaching, learning, economics, state, market and development, approaches and strategies for learning social sciences, collaborative learning approach, 5E learning model, problem solving approach, planning concept mapping, teaching learning history, teaching learning political science, democracy and development, community resource and social science laboratory, tools and techniques of assessment for learning social science, evaluation CC assessment framework, assessment learning of students with special needs. ఇది total paper 2 యొక్క syllabus. More Telangana government job notification, please subscribe to Prashant Competitive Hub YouTube channel.